Hey guys, what's up? This is your Baru and how are you? And for today's video guys, here's what I got. DJI Osmo Mobile SE phone stabilizer. Let's unbox this guys and see the features of this. I'm excited. There it is. We all know guys that DJI is known for content creation and it's one of a kind. Alright, this is designed to boost creativity. Let's go guys and see what does this Osmo Mobile SE has to offer. Alright, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell button for you to get updated for our new updates. DJI Osmo Mobile SE is a lightweight foldable body and magnetic quick release design to make it easy to carry and capture at every moments. With the newly added status panel, you can switch gimbal modes. Guys, let's unbox this exciting DJI Osmo Mobile. And for our protection guys, please do check every time, always, please check always. It should be sealed for our protection. There you go. Alright, here we go. Wow, alright. So there are guides on the backs and for us to easily understand how we are going to install it and to use it. Alright, first we have this. Oh, it's included with, of course, a pouch bag where you can put this to avoid scratch and how to take care of it. Alright, a pouch bag here and of course the guide manual as well, and of course the silica gel to avoid moisture. All right, and here are the parts guys. This comes with a magnet to attach with our phone, right? HP. It's quite heavy, so I think due to the magnet. And here is the stand. Here is the stand, all right. The tripod, open it, all right. As easy as that. This serves as our stand, and of course the charging cable, all right. And this is now the main part. Look at it, guys. Look at this, guys. It's sealed, and we know that it's fresh. It's not even open yet or not used yet. All right. Oh wow. This is how it looks like. And as the features of this, it's a magnetic design, 3-axis stabilization, magnetic design, portable and foldable, and it has an active tracking. It's easy tutorial and one-stop editing and a quick roll. All right. So as you can see guys, this is the control of this. This serves as the record button. So when you get to use it. All right, this is how it looks like when we tap. Oh, very cool. See guys, it's really strong. Like this one. Look at this. Oh, it's I think this is about the 3-axis stabilization. When you use it, stabilize. Be careful not to pinch fingers. Oh, I just did it. And ensure accurate alignment when mounting. Diba? Uy, paano na to? Yan. Medyo ano siya guys, it's powerful. See? Alright. We've seen all the parts guys. Now it's about time to install. It's easy because there is a QR code here to scan, and we'll get the guide on how to use and how to use, how to mount, and how to control. Alright. This is cool guys. It's simple and amazing. It's really guys. Okay, let's try guys. And guys, you know what is the cool here? The cool side of this is here. You can use as a tripod as well, and it can be a gimbal, guys. You just attach, and there you go. Boom! It's like a barrel, right? DJI Osmo Mobile, guys, is a compact and portable design. It's easy, guys, so you don't need to worry. It's ready to roll. Take it with you, and it's easy store and carry. Throw it in your pocket, so that when inspiration strikes, you're ready to shoot. Smooth footage on the spot. You're ready to shoot. With gimbal steady as rock, you can roll. It has a small high torque motor that allows the gimbal to respond to a slight shift even when it's large or heavy smartphone. It stands out, guys. And with this 3-axis stabilization, it performs a real-time compensation based on gimbal attitude, reducing camera shake for a smooth footage. And it does it added intelligent features to your smartphone to be smart, even more smart to your smartphones. For me, guys, this is really cool, and I'm excited to use it. Stay tuned, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, stay tuned for the next video, and where I'm going to share it with you. And please do like, comments if you have any, or anything that you wanted to ask regarding this DJI Osmo Mobile. And thank you, guys, for watching. And lastly, guys, I would like to thank my friends here in Stavanger, Norway, for their birthday gift, guys. So you are all amazing, and I love you guys. God bless you more, and stay happy. This is your Baru, and I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye.
Hi guys, this is Manong Baru, and welcome to my channel.